name is Shweta Basin. I'm a clinical dietitian and a sports nutritionist. We have come up with a 2-day workshop on Fat Loss 101. It's the basics of how you plan a fat loss diet. It's going to talk about 3 main topics, and the first is that why does a person gain weight? The weight gain for every individual is different and for different reasons. So it's important for whoever is planning a fat loss diet to understand. So weight gain reason has to be diagnosed. The second thing that we will be discussing in this workshop is, after you have diagnosed, what are the pathways, what are the strategies, what are the principles of the diet that you have to follow for giving the weight loss based on the diagnosis. And that requires a lot of understanding of applications of the science of nutrition. This is what we will be covering in the second thing. And the third part of this workshop is, how do you use different techniques, different principles, different methods, nutrition to plan fat loss diets, which may be a 5-meal pattern or 4-meal pattern, or intermittent fasting or ketogenic diet, or a diet pattern which is involving every 2 hours a meal to be given. So these are the different methods of diet planning, but every method will not work for everyone. We should be, after this, doing this workshop, able to understand whom do we give what kind of principle in planning the diet. So these are the highlights of this workshop. Who can do it? Anyone who's interested in working on fat loss for themselves or for others can come and do this workshop. So do not hesitate, do not wait to depend on others to diagnose your reason of weight loss and plan a diet for you. You can become your own master in planning a fat loss diet for yourself, or to plan diet for anybody who comes to you for advice.